Mahashivaratri festival. I am going to explain the great Hindu festival Mahashivaratri. Mahashivaratri is the great Hindu festival of India and Nepal which will celebrate annually to honor Lord Shiva. The word Maharatri is Maha big, Shiva god gods, Ratri night. So the Mahashivaratri is the great night of God Shiva and his devotee. On this day of Mahashivaratri, Lord Shiva was born or appear according to the Hindu calendar. This festival will celebrate in the new moon of Falguni month. People will pray for Lord Shiva to fulfill their wishes and win over difficulties in their life. According to people legend, when a hunter could not find anything to kill for food in a forest, he waited on the branches of a wood apple tree. In the order to attack a deer, he started throwing the leaf of the tree on the ground, unaware that there was a Shivalingam beneath the tree, placed with the wood apple leaf and patience of the hunter. It is believed that Lord Shiva appeared in front of the hunter and blessed him with wisdom. For that day onwards, the hunter stopped eating meat. Some folklore also considered this is Shiva Day, and this was believed to be the answer given by Lord Shiva when asked about his favorite day. Goddess Parvati behind Shivaratri celebration is associated with the legend of Samundra Parvati. It is said that on this day, Lord Shiva drank the deadly poison which otherwise had the position of destroying the whole world. 1. The Devas gods and Asuran Devali was churning the ocean of milk. During the churning process, several things came out of the ocean. Among all these, this were a pot of poison. The poison had the poison to destroy the universe, which frightened the Devas, gods, and Asuran Devas to seek help from Rana to Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva of destruction, Lord Shiva, in order to save the universe from the deadly affected poison, swallowed it. This act resulted in Lord Shiva throne turning blue, from which he earned the same Nirkanda. To celebrate this event of Lord Shiva, Shivaratri is celebrated. Mahashivaratri is the festival which celebrated by people following Hinduism in India. People often fast on the night of Shivaratri and sing Hanuman and praise in the name of Lord Shiva. Hindu temples across the country are decorated with light and colorful decorations, and people can be seen offering night long prayer to Shiva Lingam. Wood apple leaf, cold water, and milk are offered to Shiva Lingam on this day, as they are believed to be Lord Shiva's favorite. To believe that the people who were fast on this night and offer prayers to Lord Shiva brings good luck into their life. The most powerful Mahashivaratri celebration take place in Ujjain, believed to be the place of residence of Lord Shiva. Large processions are carried out through the city with people throwing the city to catch a glimpse of the reversed idol of Shiva. One day before Shivaratri, fast devotee eat only one time. On Mahashivaratri day, after finishing morning routine, devotees take a sankalp to observe a full day after and break. It's only one the day. On the next day, one Shivaratri Puja day. Devotees take a second bath in the evening before doing Shiva Puja, which is done during the night. Hence, the devotees who observe fast on Shivaratri and are known to keep awake during the night and perform Shiva Puja at midnight. This is because Shivaratri Puja is suggested during midnight. Nishista Kala Muhurta is specially enlightened everywhere to perform Shiva Puja for all Shivaratri fast. The fast is broken the next morning by having the prasad after taking bath. The two baths are taken in the water boiled with till seeds, semen seeds on Shivaratri Puja day. It is believed that bathing with this water washes away the body impurity after wearing clean clothes. Lord Shiva temple is visited by the devotee to perform the ritual of the day. The invoke Lord blessing Arath is performed bhajans and sung and increased six and lightened and the devotee chant Om Namah Shivaya and worship the Lord throughout the day and the night. For Shivaratri Puja, a three-tried pound-sized platform is built using wood planks. The top planks repeats heavy swarak, middle plank represents space, antakash, and bottom plank signifies earth, buloka. On the top plank, the swarak plank, 11 kalash, and kept which symbolizes the form, avarats, of Lord Shiva. The Kailas are the decorated with bell leaf, after which a coconut is placed on it, which represents the head of Shivaratri. No, Lord Shiva. For best result, devotees are known to pray for times of the Maharatri night. Therefore, Shivaratri Puja can be performed one time or 4 times during the night. The whole night can be divided into the quarter. Perform Shiva Puja 4 times. The offering to be made to Lord Shiva during the 4 quarter of the night as the following. First quarter, till seeds, jar, lotus, bel putri, fruits of bijors, lemon, kheer, till wheat, malpu, pomegranate, kapoor, udad, dal, white, lentils, jav, moong, shaktipu, leaf, beef, patra, and pakros. Mantras for Mahashivaratri. Shiva Mola Mantri. Om Namo Shivaya. Maha Mrityunjaya Mantram. Om Trayambagam Yajamahim. Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam. Purvarugamiva Bandhanat. Mrityor Mukshiyamamritat. Rudra Gayatri Nama. Om Tata Purescha Vidimah Mahadeva Dhima Thadho Raudra Panchayat Mahashivratri holds immense importance for all women. Unmarried women observe this fast and worship Lord Shiva to seek his divine blessing for a right match, while married women observe this fast to maintain peace and tranquility in their married and family life. It is believed that any impossible and difficult task can be fulfilled by observing Mahashivaratri by the grace of Lord Shiva, because as per Shiva Mahapurna, one who observes the fast with pure devotee and sincerity, attention, divine grace and blessing of Lord Shiva. It is believed that observing fast on the day of Shivaratri helps to devotee to the get control over evil like jealousy, anger, and lust, spending the day in worshipping Lord Shiva and perform ritual after every 3 hours, abolished all the shine and mistake.
So hope you liked today's video. I tried to explain you about Navaratri and the story of Navaratri. So I hope everyone understood a little bit. So this was today's video. So wait for the next video. We will be coming up with more interesting videos. Till then, bye.